Good day, this is Renaida Edsla and we are going to proceed to the trigonometric ratios. So trigonometric ratios are the ratios of the length of sides of a triangle. These ratios in trigonometry relate the ratio of sides of a right triangle to the respective angle. So let us have a look at the right angled triangle that is shown. So trigonometric ratios can be used to determine the ratios of any two sides out of a total of three sides of a right angled triangle in terms of the respective angles. Presented is the basic trigonometric ratios, which are the sin, cos, and tan, namely sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. So the other important trigonometric ratios, the cosec, sec, and cot, can be derived using the sin, cos, and tan respectively, and these are together with their formula. So let's take an example on how to solve these trigonometric ratios.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. My name is Ayman Tina Tumanong, and I am the first reporter about this topic. And the topic is all about the six trigonometric ratios. The six trigonometric ratios are the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, and secant. In geometry, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the sides and angles of a right-angled triangle. Therefore, trig ratios are evaluated with respect to sides and angles. So the given topic to me is the sine opposite side to hypotenuse. So the first problem is find the sixth trigonometric ratio of angle. So dahil sine lang ang aking topic, sine or sine of an angle is defined as the ratio of the side opposite to that angle to the hypotenuse. As you can see sa sample, we need to find the sine ratio of angle. So ang sine of angle equals to opposite and hypotenuse. First is we need to find kung saan ba dyan ang hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung pinakamahabang side is yan ang hypotenuse. Ito siya yung hypotenuse. Ito naman sa gilid, ito ng opposite. And opposite side. And ito naman sa baba, ito na yung adjacent. Ayan. And dito sa number 1, always get the lowest term. And the lowest term is this 5/6. And ito ang kanyang value.
So, ang sasagutan ko ngayon is ka or cosine is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So, sa problem number 1 namin, so first, kailangan mong hanapin kung saan dyan ang adjacent and hypotenuse para masubstitute mo yung value niya. So, andito na yung value nila, pero in order to know kung saan dito yung opposite hypotenuse and adjacent, so madali lang naman. So first, kapag ano ang opposite nitong angle na to, yun yung opposite. Well, kung anong opposite naman itong right triangle na to, yun yung hypotenuse. So in this case, ang hypotenuse natin is 12 and yung natira natin, yun yung adjacent. So isa-substitute lang natin yung value nila. So cos theta is equals to, ano yung adjacent natin? 4. So ilalagay natin dito 4 over 12. Kasi nga, ang hypotenuse natin is 12. So, usually, eto na yung sagot niya. Pero kung pwede mo pa siyang i-simplify, then isi-simplify mo pa siya. So, i-divide natin siya sa 4. So, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, eto na yung final sagot niya.
Hello, I am Jerosi Complesa. For our example number 1, find the sixth trigonometric ratio of angle theta. My topic is all about the tangent, one of the trigonometric ratio. So we have Here, triangle ABC with a given measure of 4, 10, and 12. So we have here our hypotenuse. Since our theta is here, it means this is our angle. So this is our opposite and this is our adjacent. So for our tangent, opposite over adjacent or TOA. So opposite, that is 10, adjacent, that is 4, so 10 over 4, and also we have to get the lowest term, that is 5 over 2.
Good day everyone, I am Ara Dicolani and I'm here to continue the discussion about the 6 trigonometric ratios. Let's take a look at the example number 1. Since it was a complete given, let's proceed in finding the cosecant of this right triangle. It's written here that the hypotenuse is 12, the adjacent is 4, and the opposite side is 10. And since we're finding the value of cosecant, we will use the formula hypotenuse over opposite. Hypotenuse is 12 and the opposite side is 10. So basically, it is 12 all over 10. In this case, we can still reduce it into lowest terms. Divide the both sides by 2 and the answer will be 6 all over 5. And that is your cosecant of this right triangle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and I am Dr. Mahathir Muhammad Kilario Dama, and my topic is the sec theta. So the sec theta is just basically the reciprocal or the reverse of the cos theta. So the formula of the sec theta is hypotenuse over adjacent. As you can see, halos pareho lang sila sa formula ng cos theta, except na nakabaliktad siya. So sa cos theta, yung adjacent yung nasa taas, pero sa sec theta naman yung adjacent yung nasa baba. So kung ano yung result nung value nung cos theta natin, so i-reverse lang natin. So dito 1 over 3, so kung sa sec theta na siya, so magiging 3 over 1.
Good day everyone, this is Renaida Edsla. So to continue the solvings, in order to get the value of the cotangent theta, we just simply need to reciprocate the value of our tangent theta, which is 5 over 2. So we need to reciprocal it. We have the 2 over 5 as the value of our cotangent theta. So that's it. Again, this is Renaida Edsla. For the second problem, find the value of the 6 trigonometric ratios of theta in the triangle. So always remember that right triangles have ratios to represent the angles formed by the hypotenuse and its legs. So with this given problem, we have a missing hypotenuse. And in order to find the missing length in the right triangle, we should always use the Pythagorean theorem with the formula of c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So to continue, let's substitute the value of a into the value of our opposite, which is 3. C squared is equal to 3 squared plus substitute the value of b into the value of our adjacent into 4 squared. So 3 raised to the power of 2, meaning 3 times 3 is equal to 9 plus 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Okay, so c squared is equal to, add 9 plus 16, we have 25. So we need to get the ratio. So cancel. C is equal to 5. So the value of our hypotenuse is 5. That's it.
Find the value of the 6 trigonometric ratios of these in the triangle. So value ng sin dito ay 3 over 5 dahil ito ang kanyang lowest term. And that's all. Thank you.
Problem number 2 naman, ganun lang din. So, cos theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So, ang value ng hypotenuse natin dito is 5. While ang value naman ng adjacent natin is 4. So, isa-substitute natin sila. So, cos theta is equals to 4 over 5. In this case, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-simplify since wala tayong pwedeng i-divide pwedeng ma-divide sa kanilang dalawa. Hindi katulad dito sa problem number 1. So, yun lang.
Example number 2, find the value of 6 trigonometric ratios of theta in the triangle. So since nahanap na nila ang value ng hypotenuse, which is the 5, so now we will find the tangent. Since given itong theta, so it means dito ang angle natin. So ibig sabihin, ito ang opposite at ito ang adjacent. So for our tangent, opposite over adjacent, our opposite is 3. Our adjacent is 4. So, our tangent is 3 over 4.
Let's have another example on how to get or solve the cosecant of a right triangle. We will use the same formula to get the cosecant of this triangle. Hypotenuse over opposite is equals to 5 over 3. Since we can't reduce it to the lowest term, this is the final answer or the cosecant of this right triangle. That's all, thank you.
So, our problem number 2 is 4, or the cos theta in here is the 4 over 5. So, i-reverse lang natin ulit. Nasabi ko na din yung formula. So, kapag ni-reverse natin, magiging, yung 4 over 5, magiging 5 over 4. So, yun lang.
Once again, this is Renaida Edsla. So, in order to get the value of cotangent theta again, we just simply need to reciprocate the value of our tangent theta, which is 3 over 4. So, reciprocal, we have 4 over 3 as the value of our cotangent theta. And that's just it.